Alright, so today we have the Legacy again, but today's task is tensioner, idler, and belt. Fuck off. Let's see how that wants to go today. I didn't bring my belt tensioner tool again, because I forgot it, because I'm a dumbass, but should be fine. Is it a 14? It is not a 14. Are you a 14? Ooh, you are 14. We'll keep you right there. You are a 15. That's part one. I don't like his ratchets. Oh wait, why bother when I can do this? Crack out the good old snap-on. I know where everything works on the snap-on. More leverage. I'm not replacing these because like they're terrible, in terrible condition. It's more so it's like preventative maintenance, because I don't think any of these have been replaced ever. And I just don't want anything to go wrong with their car, more so than it is. So timing belt is also going to be a factor here soon. And it doesn't look terrible. New and old. It's not terrible. It's just more so, for me, I'd just rather have it get done sooner rather than later, because later comes around and we don't get a chance to get to it and shit blows up. But timing belt definitely needs to get done. It's at 120,000. It's definitely getting close to the time that it needs to be. Sure, there is an actual torque spec to these, but torque for today is yes. So it's a top. Like a 12. And that is why we came prepared with a flex head. Ooh. Ouch. All I have to say is this, even with the bolts being in some weird ass spots, is still 10 times easier than trying to do the fucking Volkswagen. Oh my god, that was a nightmare. It took me 4 hours. Take the bolt out and finangly you up and out. Now finangly you down and in. Oh, what's that? What I really need to do is wire some fucking lights for over here, because I cannot see shit. There we go. Got you down. But yeah, no, it's like, it's cars are one of these magical things where it's one thing after another and you never know quite what you're gonna get into. I am running out of fucking storage, apparently. Apparently it did not work the way I wanted it to. Fuck. Shit. I'm just gonna pause it. Okay, well, back now, and I cleared out the thing. I tightened up these bolts, but I cleared up enough storage so I can actually record without having to worry anymore. I had to look up how the belt goes. I had it sort of right the first time. Just not exactly. Alright, let's see if that worked at all. Actually, I think that fixed it. I will put a picture of the belt diagram. I took a screenshot of it. I'm going to take a better screenshot of it. But it's not stumbling as much anymore when I'm trying to turn, so I think I might have fixed the problem. Which might be good. Only one way to find out. I'm going to have to take it out later this week, and I'll let you know after that.